It's said that once you've witnessed the reality of a good piece of steak, you can no longer look at it and simply think, yum. Making Italian ribeye steak is actually pretty simple. You'll need the following ingredients for the perfect sizzle. So first, we have to make our herb mixture, which acts as our marinade for the steak. We're going to add garlic, oregano, basil, parsley, rosemary, and salt into a mortar or small bowl. Mash and mix until you get a nice coarse paste. Next, stir in some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and white pepper until you get a nice even blend. Save about half of the herb mixture and set it aside for later. Evenly spread the half-saved herb mixture all over the steak. Let it sit for about an hour. Make sure to smoke the pieces of steak for 30 to 60 minutes. Preheat your ASMOKE grill for medium heat. Cook the steaks on the preheated grill for 7 minutes. Lightly oil the steaks and coat with the reserved herb mixture you saved earlier. Continue cooking for another 7 minutes for a nice medium well or until you've reached your desired temperature. Once done, you can add a little garnish. And you've got the perfect Italian ribeye steak ready to serve. ASMOKE. We put flavors first.